My name is Ryan and I am 8 years old. I really like to solve Rubik's Cubes like this. Today I will be teaching you how to solve the 3x3 Pyraminx. First, let's scramble it. Done. We need to match up all of the yellow centers. The centers are these bits. Don't get mixed up with these bits because those are the edges. So match them all up. When they're done, they look like a radioactive sign. Done. Now, you need to learn a new algorithm. So, to put all of the edges in. So, you need to first align the edges like this. So that the yellow looks like it's looking down here. And then you do the left-hand algorithm because it's on the left. Down, down, up, up, and in there. You keep doing that to everything. But if it's on the right, you do the same but on the other side. So down, down, up, up. Still, there it is. And then you match up all of the corners. And match up the centers. Here, I've got this situation that these two are twisted. To finish that, you need to do this algorithm. Do the right-hand algorithm. You, up, here, and down. Then you've got this, a new situation. To solve that, you go like this. Up, you, down, you, up, you, down. But if it still doesn't do it, then you do the algorithm one more time. If you have this type of situation, with this eye-like thing on the left, then do this algorithm. And then it goes like that. And then, now it's on the right. It must be just on the right of this. Too wide. So, you do the same algorithm. And there, you solve the Pyraminx. This is how to solve the Pyraminx layer by layer method. But I'm going to teach you another method. So, we scramble it. Now, we already scrambled it, so same as before, twist the corners so they match. And then add up all of the centers this time. So they look like this. And then, to solve the edges, you need to break the centers. So, this one must be aligned with its own colour. And it's going down to yellow. So, up, match, and down. You do that to every single one on the yellow. And then, you've got the same situation, but you don't do that, you just solve it. And then, it might just solve the cube for you. If not, you keep doing that. This is a really fast algorithm that I use. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video. Don't forget to ring the notification bell. Bye.